At some point, one of the previous owners decided to glue this emblem on, which is okay, I guess. The problem is they smeared this stuff they use, whatever it is, all over the area here. I guess, you know, it happens when you're gluing something, you know, you get it all over the place. But it is really hard, and I don't know. It's going to be tough to, hard to get rid of that gunk. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the heat gun and see if I can soften these glue remnants here and get them out of there. Let's see if Goof Off will do anything. Well, I'll be damned. Wow. Actually, it's a lot gentler than scraping. So. Huh. Sometimes you gotta try different approaches. And of course, I'll detail all this, but that's a lot better than having to repaint the nose of the car. Wow. Yeah, you gotta experiment, no doubt. Still like to remove the emblem, and I'm gonna have to get a new one because this is you know, old, and it's missing a piece here, and probably once I lift this there's going to be some damage under there, but a new one will help conceal that. Oh yeah, that will come off. Huh. There we go. So there you have it. Let's use a little more Goof Off. There's a little bit of damage here, like, I don't know what this is under the paint, but again, a new emblem will hopefully hide all of that. That is amazing. And of course, it's just a rough cleaning here. Eventually, gonna detail this whole area. But I'm gonna call this a win. Again, I'm not done yet, and there's some yellowing here that I don't know if I want to be able to remove that. It doesn't matter really, because the new emblem is going to cover that. Wow. Well, that was very cool. I am glad that I was able to remove the mess they made here. Good stuff.